How to accept shared album on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device first as you will need to toggle on the ability to approve any of the shared albums. So once you have opened settings, scroll down and find photos and tap on it. Here, under albums, you will see the option for shared albums. You will be able to create albums to share with other people and subscribe to other people's shared albums once you toggle on this button. So go ahead and toggle on the button for shared albums. Now quit settings and open photos on your device. You will see the option for albums there. Tap on that and now you will be able to see the option for shared album. Beside that is the option for see all. Tap on that and scroll through this list and you will be able to see all of the shared albums invites that you have, and it will give you the ability to either accept or reject it. Now you will be able to see all of the shared albums that you have created. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.